So I replaced the stupid HID bulb with an LED from this company right here. Not sponsored, not going to mention their name, but you can see it. And unfortunately, it's not exactly plug and play, because they give you this, which plugs into that, and then it terminates to this. So when you unplug your headlight bulb, well, the headlight bulb plugs into this. Yeah, that comes from the ballast. This ballast converts, well, it's right here. The ballast converts 12 volt to like 1,000,000 volts for your HID bulbs. And you can't just try to shove these big spades into those little tiny holes. So it doesn't work like that. And I'm not ripping all of this shit off and pulling the headlight bulb just so I can access the ballast and do all that crap. So what I ended up doing is, because I've been looking all over the internet, nobody, well, I shouldn't say all over the internet, but was having a hard time finding somebody that wired this style LED bulb into an F32. So what I ended up doing was, here's that right there is your bulb wire, the silver one, and then the black ones, look right there, those two black wires are the 12 volt from the harness behind the headlight. The harness behind the headlight feeds it into there, into this. So I shoved these spades into the positive and negative that feeds the ballast. So if you have an F32 or an equivalent headlight with HIDs, instead of tearing all of this shit apart, just shove the spades into the black wire connectors for the ballast into the main bulkhead right there. And you might have to reverse the polarity because it's two black wires, you don't know which is which. So you might have to reverse the polarity until it works. But it works. Everything is tucked up behind the lid there. And I think we're Gucci. I recommend some silicone or something to hold the spades from jiggling loose when you hit a pothole or something, because they will vibrate out over time. Or hot glue or whatever the hell you want to do. But I have zero intentions for ever tearing this shit apart, ever. So I could care less.